Hey guys, Jeremy with Geek Culture 101 here. On a recent video, I showed you guys the little widgets that kept popping up on my screen, on the lock screen, I should say. And I finally, thanks to a poster in a Facebook group, found out how to fix that, and I thought I would show you guys. So here we go. You click Personalize, and you go down here to Lock Screen. And under Lock Screen, you'll see Lock Screen Status. And under here, there was a weather and more tab. It was initially enabled. As you can see, I don't currently have it enabled. And so you select none, and then that gets rid of the lock screen weather widget. So just a little tip for you guys. Thought it might help you out. Until next time, see ya.